Hello everyone, thank you for watching, appreciate your time. Here we are with a Rovan 36cc gas motor. This motor originally came out of my rally version for Rovan, RS5, something like that. So, but I put it in multiple cars when I needed it, and now it's giving me problems with a fuel leak right here. And if you look at it really good, this has very little meat, I guess, to grab meat to seal it up. It's very thin here, so I can't fix that. I can't. It's a casting, so I can't fix it. And none of my other Zenova motors have such a little bit of meat there to grab casting. So we went ahead and purchased a new Rovan 36cc head kit. Okay, it comes with the head. You got your piston, your wrist pin, your washers. That's what your washers. There's your pin and your piston. So just take a quick peek at it. I'll set you all up. So, okay, there's the new one. It definitely is a little thicker than this one. So we'll just go with that. And this is flat and true. I already tested it. This one's definitely warped. So there's that. Let's look at all machined well, all machined nice and pretty in there. Okay, there's that. Real quick. So your piston rings, always in assembly loop, let it soak. So I use Colts. I'm not saying it right, but I use this one. I've always used it. It works great. All my motors were strong and hard. And well, I'll get it. But here's the ring. One ring there. You know, all this in there. All your bottom end parts need to be lubed. Okay, there's another one. There we go, drop that in there. Finally, you want to drop your piston. Piston doesn't have to go in there now, but your clips, all these little clips, all in there. Dump it all in, let it soak in there. There's your pin, put it all in there. Piston, you don't got to put your piston in there now, but I'm actually having another one for the piston. I'll drop this in there, just like that. Okay. All right. We'll show you the video of disassembly and assembly next. All right. Once again, thank you for watching. This is the disassembling. Put a new head and piston on a Rovan 36cc motor. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.